So if you're looking for the best Temu coupon codes in 2025, I went ahead and tested a bunch of them. Because let's be honest, most of the codes floating around online don't even work anymore. Some are expired, some are fake, and some lead to some random error messages. So I filtered through the junk to find the ones that actually apply real discounts at checkout. Now, after trying over 30 codes, I found a few that are actually still working, and they're on your screen right now. I've also added them down in the description and the pinned comments so you can just copy and paste them straight into the app. Now here's how to use them. First, open the Temu app or download it if you haven't already. Then go to your profile and tap on either earn credits or coupon code. That's where you want to enter one of the working codes. Once I enter the one you see on the screen, it immediately activated a $100 coupon bundle. The coupons stacked across multiple items in my cart and they applied automatically during checkout. I was able to test it on different items like home essentials, a couple of small tech items, and even some fun accessories. Every single one showed a discount. So yeah, if you're still wondering whether any Temu coupon codes work in 2025, the answer is yes, but only a few. Try the ones I tested and let me know which ones worked best for you.